Hi guys, you can see I've got this shirt in here, and that's because I received it for main purposes. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. First, the legs so I can stand it better. It's a reclinable shirt, which is really, really nice because you can make it with with these buttons. You can charge the chair for 10 hours, and you can use it for a very long time, but it has a long-lasting battery, which is really, really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and place the wheels first. Make sure they are the foot. Now we can place this upon the floor. That it's really, really heavy. Okay, this part. This goes in here. This goes top. Okay. Now I just need to place the back part. It just slides right into these parts. Okay, it has a holes in here. So let's go ahead, place it. And there it is. It's really, really comfortable. You can connect it with storage. So that's what I'm gonna do. This part, you've got a hidden pocket. You can open, take the charger out, and connect it. Like this. Okay. I'm gonna leave it charging, and I'm gonna come back a bit later. You can recline it. It's really, really comfortable. And when you can control, so it goes back. And you even have it at the control of the height on this side, which is really nice. So I'm gonna leave it on charging wall so I can use it freely. It's a really, really nice office shirt. Perfect for your home, your office, whatever you wanna use it. It's really, really nice, really comfortable. And the automatic functioning, it's really, really nice. So, if you need a new shirt and you want it to be reclinable I would recommend it. It has some nice space on your arms. It's really, really high, so you are comfortable all the way around. It has a great support, and I would really recommend it. See ya!